how can these visa holders know if their valid visa was revoked? And can this like happen without like notice?
Yeah, I mean, you're kind of in a circumstance where if you haven't received an email, but you've had a run in with law enforcement, I apologize, I keep coughing. They're pretty cagey now, in terms of their like lack of response. You could try emailing them or using the Visa Navigator system to see if that you could get some feedback from them. I will say with this round of cancellations, the State Department has been pretty on the ball about making sure people are aware that their visas are canceled. And the reason for that is panic based. They want people to panic. They want people hopefully to be outside of the United States when the visa cancellation occurs, right? So that way they get stuck. But alternatively, if they are here in the United States and you cancel their visa right before the holidays, they have to make a really hard decision, right? Do I risk not being able to come back into the United States, or are you going to just miss the holidays with your family? Which it's a difficult decision for anybody to make, but that's the point. And I really can't impart this knowledge on people more because I'll have consultations where like, we've never had issues with this before. And I'm like, I feel like I'm having to be like, a whistleblower or somebody who's like screaming off a hilltop when I explain this. You guys got to stop pretending we're in last year. This administration. That's not where we are now. Like, cruelty is the point. The reason why they do these things, or when someone says, why are they doing this to me or to my company? The point is cruelty. They want to disenfranchise people from participation in the immigration system. They don't want people applying for visas, and this is what they want to do to make it so difficult to do it that you take your ball and go home. And like I said earlier, and I'm going to keep saying, this is year 1 of 4. So as we close out this year, we know the tactics that they've employed previously, and we're now going to have to see the tactics they employ next year. Kind of off topic, but just so you guys are aware of this and anybody that's listening,